Pionex offers automated crypto trading bots, including grid, DCA, and arbitrage strategies. These bots help traders automate their trading without constant monitoring. The grid trading bot buys low and sells high within a user-defined price range, profiting from market volatility. Users set grid levels, investment amount, and spread. It's ideal for ranging markets but can incur losses in strong trends. The dollar-cost averaging bot invests a fixed amount at regular intervals, reducing the impact of price swings and helping to mitigate emotional trading decisions. Users select the frequency and amount to invest. Pionex's DCA bot also integrates with staking for additional rewards. The Arbitrage bot exploits price differences across different exchanges, aiming for risk-free profits by buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. However, it faces challenges like fees and execution delays. Users need to enable multi-exchange access and set minimum profit thresholds. All Pionex bots operate 24/7 on the platform, with trading fees ranging from 0.1% to 0.5% per trade, lower for VIP users. Pionex emphasizes risk management with settings like stop loss, take profit, leverage control, and position sizing. Leverage up to 10x and limit positions to 1% of your portfolio to control exposure. Set alerts for price changes and diversify your portfolio across strategies. Trends include hybrid bots combining grid and DCA, AI-driven trading for adaptive strategies, and DeFi integration for yield farming. Social trading lets you copy successful bots, while environmental concerns drive eco-friendly mining integrations. By 2030, experts predict 80% of retail trading will be automated, with Pionex expanding into AI and NFT bots. Challenges include regulatory scrutiny and competition from decentralized platforms. Pionex plans a quantum bot in 2026 for ultra-fast arbitrage. Remember to backtest strategies on historical data to avoid over-optimization.